Oh shit, my hair. You guys want to see if I get high with the new Hello Calm mask from Origins? Then keep on watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying on the new Origins Hello Calm mask, which does have the marijuana plant on it. Am I gonna get high? I'm not 100% sure. Maybe, which I don't mind. No, I'm just playing. I don't smoke weed. But the fact that I saw that they have a mask that has Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil in it, which marijuana, I find it very interesting. I want to see if it does anything to me. And let's talk about what the mask actually does. This mask right here does retail for $28. It is meant for all skin types, normal, oily, combination, and dry skin. It is a mask that it is hydrating, infused with natural cannabis sativa seed oil to instantly calm skin, visibly reduce irritation, and de-stress the senses. This lush, super nurturing mask is formulated with cannabis sativa seed oil from Hemp that's rich in essentials, omega-6 and omega-3 acids, and is non-intoxicating to boot, to deeply hydrate skin, to calm, soothe, and help de-stress the sense with its essential oil blend. It's a mask that won't leave you high and dry. So basically, it's a nice hydrating mask. But my thing is, I'm like, is it gonna get me high? That's the real question. I already washed my face. Now I'm gonna go in with the mask. Actually, I'm gonna smell it first. Let me get a good amount on my finger right now. Right there. Do I smell it? Maybe I haven't smoked for so long, I don't remember anymore. It smells nice. Doesn't smell like weed, but let me look here in the mirror. Let me apply some on. Let me apply some over my nose. Bitch, I'm high as fuck. I'm just playing. It feels nice and hydrating and smooth as I apply it on my skin. Me having a hydrating mask for my skin is amazing, because I do get a lot of dryness going on. Is it getting me high yet? I don't know. Maybe. I still feel fine. Maybe a little hungover. Went out last night, which is fine. Now I got a good layer on my face. It feels nice and hydrating. How it's gonna feel after I wash it off is what I wanna know. If my skin does feel any different, it probably won't look different, it's just gonna feel different. But I keep going around my nose. Actually, maybe I do smell it, yeah. The more I smell it, the more I remember when I used to smoke. I used to get high. Like back in high school, I used to smoke a lot of weed. Now I just drink wine and regret it the next day. Because I drank way too much wine. It's okay though. That's what LA would do to you. Okay, so I got a good layer now on my skin. It says here to leave on for 10 minutes. I'll be back in 10 minutes and I'll see if I am high. Well, I'm already high with life, so honey, I don't fucking know. I've been high for years. I just don't smoke weed, but I am high as fuck. I'll be right back. Getting my cat high with the mask. She said, fuck it.
I must be high, because I'm over here thinking I'm a bunny now.
Now it's been 10 minutes. Am I high? As fuck. That's fine. No, doesn't get me high. But again, it does have cannabis sativa seed oil in it. Which a lot of things nowadays have basically marijuana in it. Like Milk has their Kush mascara, which gets you high. No, I'm just playing. Alright, let me take this off and then let's see how my skin feels once it comes off my face. So I just washed my face, took the mask off. My skin feels actually hydrated, nice and smooth and hydrating, which I love for my dry skin. So did the mask get me high? No. But it did leave my skin feeling nice and hydrating. Now, again, on the website, it tells you you're not going to get high, which sucks. It would have been nice to get high a little bit off a mask. Knowing that I don't like smoking weed, for a reason I hate the coughing. But that's just me. Now, if you smoke weed, that's great. I mean, I live in LA, everybody smokes weed. So it's fine. So thanks you guys for watching this video on me trying to get high with the mask, but I did not. Or maybe I did. I don't know. I'm feeling some type of way. No, I'm lying. So you guys, thank you for watching this video. If you could like the video down below, you could leave a comment. Tell me what you guys think. Also, subscribe. If you guys have any other ideas of what kind of videos you would like to see, let me know. Again, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.